Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn AAU University login. So let's get started. So to log into your AAU University, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for AAU University login. And after searching for that, here you can find AAU University login. You just have to tap on that option. AAU refers to Association of American Universities. And after tapping on that option, what you can do is just enter your username and enter your password. And after entering your username and password, you'll successfully log into your AAU University account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, you can get a new password, or you can unlock your account. And some following other options, you can change AAU password with MIT if you would like. And after changing your password, you have to come back to your login page and then enter your username and password. And after entering your username and password, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your AAU University account. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.